Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So my last video I had shared a lip color, a liquid lip color with you all, and today also I'm going to be sharing a different variation. This has been requested by few of my subscribers who wanted me to make a water-based liquid lip color. So this is what I'm going to be making today. These are very lightweight liquid lip colors. When you put them on your lips, you do not even feel that you have applied anything, and they last for a very long time. They have a good lasting quality, these lip colors, the water based ones. So I'm going to go ahead and going to make that today and show you all how we are going to go ahead and make it. So here I have all my different phases ready. This is my water phase, this is my oil phase, and here I have taken a blend of silicons. For those who are interested in learning all these advanced formulations, skincare formulations, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. I have workshops going on where I teach how to make all these skincare products. So we'll quickly start with the making. Now I'm going ahead and I'm heating this to melt down the wax that is present here. I have taken candela wax and we are going to go ahead and melt this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated my oil phase here. The waxes have also melted, and now I'll go ahead and add this the silicons that we have here. I'll go ahead and add that to my oil phase. And we'll just give it a mix. And now in this we will go ahead and add the water phase. And we will mix this well. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and blending this so that the mixing becomes easier and faster. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this. So everything has got well combined here. And we'll just wait for a while before we go ahead and mix our pigments in this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and combined all the ingredients. Now if you all can see, this has got well emulsified here. And it's quite cool now, so I'll go ahead and add my vitamin E to this. Give it a mix, and then we can start adding our pigments to this. So I have already gone ahead and made my colored pigment here, the color which I want for this. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this well. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed all the color here well, and this is how the water-based liquid lip color looks like. This is just like a gel type of a liquid lip color. When you apply it also, you get that very nice gel cooling effect. And I'm going ahead and now pouring this into my container. So I've gone ahead and filled the bottle here with the liquid lip color, and now I'm just pushing in the knob here, and we'll close the bottle. We'll just give it a shake, and we'll see how the color looks like. So this is a very gel like feel on the skin. When you apply it, you get that nice cooling effect on your lips as well when you apply, and once it dries, the color stays on for a very long time. It gives a very good coverage and a very long stay time. So this is the water-based liquid lip color that we have made here today. And friends, if you want me to bring up some new different new formulations with you all, share these with you all, and you'll like the videos that I share, please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends as well, so that I keep coming up with different variations for you all. And thank you for your support always. Thanks a lot. Bye.